This has been my toy this past week. I'm on the ONEBOT. ONEBOT sent me out this tiny GNS6L. It comes in multiple different colors. It's a tiny folding bike. It only weighs about 48 pounds, but since it's so compact, it's one of the easiest bikes for me to manipulate. It is awesome to fold up, put it in your car, the back of your car, take it with you. And that's why you don't need a super huge bike with tons of range if it's just gonna go with you in the car, maybe to the campground. Use your imagination. This thing is my little toy. I've been walking my dog with it because it goes up to about 15 miles per hour. This thing has about 16 to 18 miles of EV range. And then if you're pedaling, you can stretch that out to about 28, 30 miles total. So we're gonna take this to the beach. It's not that far from now. We have 3 different levels of pedal assist. Oh, and before I even get into setting this thing up, essentially it was completely assembled out of the box. All I had to do was put the seat on and fold up the handlebars. It was the easiest bike I've ever had to assemble that's been delivered to my house. So you see right here, we can actually take out the battery pack if we want. It is locked in there. You can see the little, it comes with a set of keys. You can pull this out and bring it in to charge if you want to, if you don't have a place to charge it where you're storing the rest of the bike. Let's start off in pedal assist level 1. Your throttle's here on the right, and you also have a little horn here. Now, one more thing I forgot to mention, we do have a little headlight down here. And all you have to do is hold the plus button and it turns it on. Holding the plus button again, turns it off. Pretty simple. The world's smallest kickstand. Flip that back. It's just a single speed, which is all you need for a bike this small, but we do have disc brakes on the front and the back, and we'll find how well these disc brakes stop this tiny little bike. But yeah, we got throttle right here. I almost did a wheelie right off the bat. Yeah, going around in circles here like this thing is a joke. I feel like I'm on the world's smallest little, I'm almost like on a unicycle. This thing's so small. Let's lock the Type S before I head to the beach. But yeah, just, oh my gosh, it's so easy. What happens if you pedal? Well, it's gonna help you out as well. So, I mean, that's a pedal assist. I don't even have my hand on the throttle. It's still helping me. But if I press the plus button, it helps me more because I'm on pedal assistance level 2. So there are 3 different speed levels that it has. If I just go down to level 1 and pin the throttle, it only does about 7-8 miles an hour here, which is fine. It's kind of slowing down, just kind of coasting right now. If I go to level 2, let's go around the trolley. Super easy to do in this bike. Yeah, it holds 13 miles an hour, no big deal. And I even have a headlight indicator to let me know my headlight's on. Go to level 3, it kind of shoved me back a little bit. It's only about a 350 watt motor on this guy, but for a bike this small, weighs only 50 pounds. It's just so fun to ride and drive. Oh my gosh. I think I have more fun on this tiny bike than I do on the bigger, faster bikes that I test. And getting on the brakes. Can I get between these 2 big ones? Oh my gosh, I got between those 2 massive pillars. But let's go uphill here. I got the throttle pinned. I'm in pedal assistance level 3. It's actually accelerating going uphill here. I'm not pedaling at all. Yeah, it's pulling me up this hill going, I mean, it's almost topped out at its top speed, pulling me up this hill. And it's still accelerating. So 14.6, 14.7 as we let it all out. We've hit 15 now, 16. You guys are cruising over the bay. Absolutely beautiful day here on this little ONEBOT. They offer lots of different products too. They have many different folding bikes of different sizes. This is one of their smallest folding bikes. Man, I'm going 17 miles an hour. If I pedal, I can actually assist and go faster. I'm going 20 miles an hour on this thing. Okay, let's get in the brakes. It's actually one of the best stopping e-bikes I've tested, to be honest. Can I get some air here? Yes, I got some air on it. Right back onto the throttle. Using my feet as well to help me out here. I could be in the bike lane. I feel like I'm going plenty fast. Going 17 miles an hour with the pedals. So, and sometimes when you get to the top speed of the bike, you get to ghost pedaling and the gearing's just off for your legs to help out. But here I am using my feet, and I'm not going as fast as I can. I can, maybe I can on the flat. I can push it as hard as I can if you want me to. We're going 19. We're going 20. Oh, we cracked 20. My legs are getting tired. Yeah, it'll do 20 if you're really desperate to exhaust your legs. But yeah, I got the throttle pinned and it's just holding about 17 miles per hour here, which is faster than I've seen it do before. In my previous testing, it was only doing about 15 and a half, I think. So I'm happy with that. I'm happy with that. It's a beautiful McLaren over there next to the range. We're gonna find a little beach access here. There's one right there. And I just hit that bump pretty hard. We do have, oh yeah, getting right in the throttle. We do have a rear suspension on this, guys, which really helps smooth out the bumps. There's a little jet ski over there. Beautiful day with a little ONEBOT GNS6L. That's what it's called in America. It has a different name probably for other markets. I call it the PIU. I guess I understand why they didn't want to use it for American markets. Not the easiest word for us to say, but the ONEBOT GNS6L, probably the funnest, or the one of the most fun e-bikes I've tested on the channel. Thanks for ONEBOT sending me this. You guys can get 5% off with the promo code Kirk down below. Go ahead and check out the link in the description as well as the comments if you guys want to check out this guy as well as some other products from ONEBOT. Have a great day and peace.